All right, so here we are in another video tutorial. Thank you very much for being here, checking my videos. And if you want to hit the like button, that will be perfect. That will help me a lot. If you really want to support my channel, you could check out my music on all digital platforms as bmmusic or Beats bmmusic. And we got a request from Michael Cass. Thank you very much, Michael, for writing. And he says, anyone knows how to clear erase your saved favorites? No mention of this on page 116 in the owner's manual. Well, this video is for you. Hopefully it's going to help you solve your problem and anybody else got the DR880. Thank you so much for being here one more time. And here we go with the video. We got, you know that in order to get to the banks, you just got to click it, right? Now, what happens here? It doesn't work. That means that these got erased. Okay, so this is the video how to erase them. All you got to do is just press the one that you want to erase. Let's say we are on bank 1, because remember you got 20 banks. On each one of these 20 banks, you can say 4 favorites. Okay, that means 4 patterns. And you can control them with your pedal. So we are working right now on bank number 1. I'll show you that in a second. All you have to do is just press shift and bank. Okay. And we had it on bank favorite, sorry, number 3, which is this one. Let me just go back. Right, this is number 4, number 3, 1 and 2, they don't work. So you have to just press the favorite, hold down shift, bank, and here counterclockwise, and that's it. You're done. Now here, okay, it's telling you it's number 3, bank number 1. Like I said, you got 20. See that? You got 20 on every one of them. You can save up to 4 favorites, as I mentioned. We're working on the number 1. Okay. The number 3, which is the favorite. As you can see, number 2 and number 1, I erased them before, so that way I can figure out how to do it, so I can make the video. So this is number 3, 1, 2, and 3. It got erased. And how do you go down here? You have to do it, just press enter, and boom, there you go. You're done. When you hit exit, it's gonna write this bank, so you're only gonna have 1 sound here or 1 pattern. Okay, exit, and you're done. And that's it. You can see you press 4, it's not going to work any longer. They got erased, these 3. I erased beforehand these 2 in order to figure out, like I said before. So we just erased number 3, so we only have number 4. And you could reprogram it with a new favorite. All you have to do is just press shift and bank right here. We are on number, I can't see that number 3. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to number 1 and select. Oh, beforehand we have to select the pattern, or we could just do it here if we know which one we want. Let's say that we want number 1 and guitar fix, whatever. I'm not using the guitar for now, or the bass for now. As soon as you got these 2, all you have to do just go here and hit enter, and this will appear here, and you will be done. That's it. Hit exit. So that's how you erase, and that's how you program a new favorite. So we got 4. These 2 are erased. We don't have anything, and we got number 1. what I suggest, just make sure of the one that you want to program. Just have it here first. So that way it's going to appear when you do shift and back. It will appear here. For example, let me get out of here. Let's say, okay, let's say that I want to program this one, right? On this favorite number 2. So you hit shift, bank, and you see it's right there, Latin pop. So in order to make it appear here, remember you have to select the number of the favorite. Number 2, hit enter, and that's it. You're good. Exit, and you're done. And that's it. So you got 4, 3, we don't have anything. We got number 2, which is not pop, the one that we just programmed. That's it. Hopefully, I hope this video tutorial helps you and other people. If you have any other question, any suggestion, let me know so I could make the video. If I don't know how to do it, I'm very sorry. I won't be able to. But if I figure it out, is I don't have the manual. I don't like really to read. Everything that I know and the videos that I have made for this machine is that I just figure it out and I come up with a video. So Michael Cast, thank you very much. God bless you and see you guys on the next video. Take care.